Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix buzzing sound laptop speakers. Chapter 1. How to fix buzzing sound laptop speakers, configuring microphone. To start, enter the word sound in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. Now go to the Recording tab. Here select the current microphone and click on Properties. After that, go to the Listen tab. Here you're going to uncheck the box Listen to this device. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix buzzing sound laptop speakers, disabling audio enhancements. To get started, enter sound in the search box. Click on Change System Sounds. After this, in the Playback tab, select the current speakers. Click on Properties. Now in the Enhancements tab, you will activate the box, Disable all enhancements. Apply these changes. Chapter 3. How to fix buzzing sound laptop speakers, updating driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. After that, display the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click on the driver and select the Update Driver option. Here, click on the option to search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to finish. After this, go back and click on the Browse My Computer for Drivers option. Then click on the option Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. After this, select the available hardware, and when you click Next, you must confirm the process by clicking Yes. Wait for the driver to be installed. Chapter 4. How to fix buzzing sound laptop speakers, reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Device Manager. Now in the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section, you are going to right-click on the driver to select the Uninstall Device option. You must confirm this process by clicking on Uninstall. When you do, go to the Action menu. There, click on the Scan for Hardware Changes option. You will wait for the driver to be installed automatically. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.